All right, so when we had last left off, we had just downloaded both Oracle VirtualBox, the VirtualBox extension pack, and the mini Ubuntu Bionic Beaver ISO. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to click on this, and it's going to go through its little cycle thing. While this is happening, I'm going to close that out because the less open, the better. You can always go to your downloads folder or wherever you saved it in. I just sent it to my downloads folder so I wouldn't have to open up everything on my computer to get to it. You're going to go ahead and double click on this, or single click if you do it in the browser. You're going to click next. I'm just going to go ahead and go with everything. Click yes. I'm only going to create a shortcut on the desktop. I don't like the other stuff, but you can feel free to do what you want. And yes, proceed with installation. Bam. And it will take a while this sets up. It should ask for permission. Here we go. You're going to want to hit yes, because otherwise it's not going to install VirtualBox. This is much faster than last time. All right, we're going to go ahead and definitely start it. And we're going to go ahead to the left-hand side where it says File. We're going to go to Preferences. And we're going to go down to where it says Extensions. Now you're not going to have this, so you're going to hit the little plus button. And you're going to click on this little thing. Again, if it's not in your downloads folder, if you saved it to somewhere else, you're going to have to navigate to wherever that is to get to the extension pack. So make sure that you know where you're downloading this. And I'm going to reinstall just because I had installed it at one point. It's going to make you agree because otherwise it's not going to do anything. You'll probably have to say, I agree again. Excellent. I'm going to hit OK. At this point, we're going to go ahead and hit New. And we're going to start with the next video. Raven's going to guide you through the rest of the process. I really enjoyed having you here with me. Hope you have an amazing day and enjoy the course.